Topic will be over dividing integers, positive and negative whole numbers, or whole numbers and their opposites. So let's read our question. The population of a small town is changing at a rate of negative 255 people per year. So it's losing 255 people per year. How long will it take for the change of population to be negative 2,040 people? So how long will it take them to lose that many people? A couple ways you can do it. You can do it this way. First year. Year 1, it lost 255 people. Year 2, it lost, let's see, 255, carry 1. It lost 510 people. Year 3, it lost 765 people. And so on and so on and so on. Or you could divide the two numbers by 2,040 divide by negative 255. So, how many 255 people will go into 2040? Does it go in 2? No. Does it go in 20? No. Does 255 go in 204? No. Does 255 people go into 2040? It does. Well, I guess we should continue our chart because I do not know how many 255 people go to 2040. Let's do the fourth one. So 5 plus 5 is 10, carry to 1 is 12, carry to 1, 7 plus 2 is 9, 10. Wait, the fourth year is 1,020. That looks like it's double that. So wouldn't that be the 6th, 7th, 8th? Wouldn't that be the 8th year? So it's the 8th year they will lose that many people. But you might say to yourself, why is there no negative in front of it? Well, it's because it's this one. You're losing 2,040 people. You're dividing it by negative 255. That means what is the opposite of this one? This negative means the opposite of. So opposite of negative 8 is positive 8 here. Or another way to do it is using our song that we learned through multiplying. Multiply or divide is an easy thought. Same signs are positive, different signs are not. Just like in multiplying, these two are the same signs. They will turn to positive. So let's go through our modeling. You have 6 positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They want you to divide it into 2 groups. Here's our first group, here's our second group. So how many do you have in each group? Positive 3. That's weird. You have a positive and a positive, the answer becomes positive. Interesting. We'll come back and generalize on that rule. And here we have 12 negatives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Divide it into 3 groups. I'll put, let's see, 3 groups. Wait, need one more here, need one more here. So I divide it into 3 piles or 3 groups. How many do you have in each pile or groups? You have 4 negative. Let's look at this. That's weird. When you have a negative and a positive, when they're different signs, the answer is negative. Let's go back to the other one. When the signs are the same, the answer is positive. Let's try our next one. You have 12 positives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Divide it into the opposite of 3 groups. So let's divide it into the opposite of 3 groups. So we're dividing it into 3 groups. Finding the opposite of. Negative here means opposite of. So it looks like it's positive 4. But what is the opposite of positive 4? Negative 4. So this negative here means opposite of. So that's weird. When the signs are different, it's negative. Let's go back. Is that true for all of it? Signs are different, negative. Signs are the same, positive. Interesting. Let's look at our last example. You have 6 negatives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to divide it into the opposite of 2 piles, or 2 groups. So you have 2 groups. You have negative 3. But what's the opposite of negative 3? Positive 3. But you know what? I want to find some rules, generalize some rules, so I don't have to keep on talking about opposite of it. When the signs are the same, it seems like it's positive. Is that always true? Let's see. Let's go back here. Signs are positive, or same, positive. Signs are different, they are negative. So let's go to, so in here, in our song we have multiply or divide, it's an easy dot. Same signs are positive, different signs are not. So when the signs are the same, such as positive 24 divided by positive 6, it's going to be positive. Or why is the sign racing? Or we have negative 8 divided by negative 2 would be positive 4. This will be positive 4. But when the signs are different, the answer will be negative. For example, you have negative 20 divided by 4. 20 negatives, you're putting it in 4 groups. It would be 5 negatives in each group. So let's practice quickly here. So we have 144. We're going to divide it in the opposite of 12 groups. So 144 divided by opposite of 12 groups is 12. Opposite of 12 is negative 12. Or you can think of this way. This multiply or divide is an easy dot. Same signs are positive. Different signs are not. You have 60 negatives. You're going to divide it in the opposite of 15 groups. So each group will have 2 negatives. But what's the opposite of 2 negative? I'm sorry, what am I thinking? 4. You have 60 negatives. You're dividing into opposite of 15 groups. That's 4 negative, but opposite is 4. Or you do multiply or divide. It's an easy thought. Same signs are positive. Different signs are not. These two are the same sign, so positive 4. So this is a study of dividing integers. And dividing integers, if the signs are the same, just like in multiplying, because dividing is just the inverse of multiplying. So when the signs are the same, it will stay positive. But when the signs are different, like this and this, the answer will have to be a negative.